Eurosatory 2026 will have been a considerably enhanced edition of this already largest defense show in the world. The massive participation of the Ukrainian companies will have drawn a lot of attention. But here, let's focus on some of the new or little bit adapted tanks that are on display here at Eurosatory, starting with the Tulpar from Otokar. Otokar's Tulpar is an armored tracked vehicle with a modular structure that allows for different missions. It can range from 28,000 to 45,000 kilos. Its modular hull and subsystem structure provide a clear operational advantage. This vehicle is available in various configurations: light tank, personnel carrier, reconnaissance, command and control, air defense, and ambulance. This multi-purpose platform offers higher firepower, superior survivability, and a modular structure. Its modular infrastructure provides immense flexibility in broader volume and mission configurations. Leonardo is showing its new main battle tank, an item that drew a lot of attention, and it's deserved. Designed from a clean sheet, the new main battle tank, abbreviated as NMBT, is created to dominate the digital battlefield and to ensure long-term operational superiority. The NMBT combines advanced lethality, full digitalization, integrated survivability, as well as a new standard of mobility and scalable architecture. The NMBT is presented for the renewal of the Italian Army's heavy vehicle fleet and to strengthen the European industrial capacity. The next generation main battle tank is a fully digitalized architecture with cyber secured by design. It's manned by 3 operators plus 1 specialist role. The armament consists in a 120mm 55 caliber smoothbore gun, upgradable to 130mm, with beyond line of sight firing engagement enabled by Volcano ammunition. The autoloader has a high rate of fire, and 20 rounds are ready to fire. The next vehicle selected by Army recognition is the CFL-120 Karpat. It's an association between FNSS and Leonardo. Karpat CFL-120 combines MBT-level firepower with high mobility, superior survivability, and reduced logistic burden. Karpat is that it can be assessed not only as a direct fire vehicle, but as a combat platform with a broad mission spectrum. Taken together with its compatibility with network-enabled warfare, modular protection philosophy, advanced situational awareness systems, and multi-role employment potential, Karpat should be regarded not simply as a platform, but as a comprehensive response to the evolving demands of modern combat. It represents a unique response to emerging requirements in modern warfare. This vehicle provides the lowest silhouette and highest power-to-weight ratio in its class, which gives it advantage in both visibility and agility. Another tank on the list of Army recognition is Hyundai Rotem's K2. Somebody will explain the tank.
What you see here is our K2EX, which is the export version of the K2 main battle tank. What has been added to the export version compared to our original model is the active protection system, the hard kill active protection system, the RCWS, and the drone jammer. So what we're doing right now is we're making a very competitive product for our export European markets and beyond. Any of the added material or the mission equipments can be modified depending on our customers. So what you see here, the mission equipments, this is not a final product to say that we're selling. It's more or less showcasing our abilities to adapt and improve upon our original design. And depending on our users and our end users and their requirements, we can obviously modify what type of mission equipment goes on and what model or what company that they can integrate into our main battle system.
At Eurosatory 2026, KNDS is showing a large array of vehicles of different kinds. In the field of main battle tanks selected from this series by Army recognition, we have 4 that we would like to show you, and some of them present real breakthrough in MBT technologies. We shall have the Leclerc XLR, which is currently deployed in the French Army, replacing the Leclerc main battle tank. Then we have the Leopard 2 A8, we have the Leopard 2 ARC 3.0, and the Capint. Capint MBT is KNDS proposal for the main platform of the intermediate capability for France, building upon previous projects like the MBT, leveraging a KNDS Deutschland chassis and a KNDS-France Ascalon unmanned turret. Intended to face and destroy the most protected opponents on the front line with dual capability, Capint MBT's open architecture enables it to deploy drones for observation and target designation and to supervise unmanned wingmen on UGV, bringing especially unlost capabilities, thus collecting outperforming any opponent on today's and tomorrow's battlefield. More and more tank design are dropping the 4-man crew pattern. Now with the Leopard 2 ARC 3.0, it's a 3-man chassis with unmanned turret. There is no chassis intrusion thanks to an extremely flat turret design and a highly protected crew compartment. The turret is adapted for various main calibers. The modular autoloader enables a high loading rate. Configurable armament set for 3D loss and unloss engagement, and the sensor suite for improved tactical and situational awareness, including UXV control, the digital mission control, and 4D fire control system. The main armament here remains the NATO 120mm 55 caliber, a smoothbore gun. It's interchangeable with the 130mm gun. Since its first entry into employment, the Leclerc already has a level of functionality and performances that other main battle tanks of its generation are just beginning to implement through their respective modernization programs. The Leclerc is currently modernized under the Scorpion program in order to improve its performances and to make it even better for tomorrow. And the tank is already deployed in the French Army. Regarding its survivability, let's mention a list of qualities: complete armor protection, regenerative and modular, anti-RPG protection kit, close protection system Galix, mine IED protection kit, counter IED jammers, barrage, CBRN filtration and air. Mobility, off-road speed is 72 km per hour, exceptional weight-power ratio, 24 horsepower per ton. Fitted with hydropneumatic suspension and nominal power rated at 1,500 horsepower. Day and night mobility and combat capacity, embedded inertial navigation system and GPS integration. For observation, as it has become the Ukrainian battlefield has demonstrated it, hunter-killer commander view, day and night stabilized panoramic view, PASEO. And the gun is still a smoothbore gun, 120mm 52 caliber. The Leopard 2A8 is already a very well-known tank, but let's focus on the threat and some advantages this version of the Leopard presents, with its improved main weapon, 120mm 55 caliber A1, mine protection, an upgraded modular protection for chassis, front and turret, the 360 protection turret, active protection system trophy, the crew commander cooling unit turret and chassis up to 10 kilowatts, auxiliary power unit 20 kilowatt with stabilizing ultra caps and enforced running gear, improved cooling unit power pack and an improved ergonomics and slow to functions. Optionally, you can have remote control weapon station and a laser warner.